start with the award ceremony, I would like to brief you a little about these awards. These are third Smart City Awards 2014. Smart City Awards objective is to recognize and encourage organizations, projects and program initiatives in the field of smart technology and smart cities, to identify and popularize best emerging effective models, projects, programs, initiatives in smart technology and smart cities all over the country as well as across the globe. Another objective is to facilitate and acknowledge unique and innovative initiatives in the field of smart technology. To facilitate and acknowledge these initiatives. The selection procedure is the institutions, individuals nominated their project through online form. The submissions were verified and reviewed by the in-house award committee members. This was done to ensure that all the fields were correctly filled. The submissions were evaluated then according to the stipulated criteria. Smart City Jury Awards evaluated nominations were simultaneously sent to distinguished jury for web-based evaluation. Selection criteria are innovation, scalability, applicability, ability to overcome challenges, achievement and impact potential. I thank our eminent guests to be here to give away the awards. So, to start with the first award category is Smart Urban Transport Initiative. And this award goes to Gujarat International Finance Tech City Company Limited for Smart Urban Signage System Project. It is also called Gift City. I invite the winners on the stage. If we have Dr. K.D. Ganesh Babu with us, I invite Mr. on the stage to receive the award.
Requested Swaroop sir and Trivedi sir kindly give away the awards. I have one question before you leave the stage. Everyone asks about like this gift city and great idea. What is the time frame of like you can see this actual reality?
This is planned to complete in 10 to 12 years. The phase 1 development of 10 million square feet is already allotted, is under development. Phase 1 infrastructure is already implemented and is functioning. Anybody can visit and see the smart infrastructure at the site itself. Thank you.
Actually, wanted to hear this so that everyone knows that something is already on the ground and people can actually go and see this. This is not fiction, what we just saw, right? Thank you.
Many congratulations to the winners. Please continue giving the big hand to the winners. Thank you. And the second award category is for Smart Municipality or Municipal Corporation Initiative. And this award goes to Jabalpur Municipal Corporation for their GPS and mobility-based citizen support system project. I invite winners on the stage. If we have Mr. Ved Prakash with us, I invite him on stage to receive the award. Otherwise, I invite Dr. Devinder Kaur Sopti, the CEO of e-governance in Jabalpur. Please give a big hand for the winner.
Ma'am, you are like that, excuse me, the award winner. You have to pay a price.
For the prize.
What is the hardest or the most important achievement of your project are you doing?
This is on behalf of Jabalpur Municipal Corporation. I belong to Jabalpur Collectorate. So nobody is here from Municipal Corporation, so I am taking this award on behalf of them. I have not much idea about their projects.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations to you and Jabalpur Municipal Corporation. Now the next award is for Smart Urban Development Initiative, and this award goes to Amravati Municipal Corporation for their project Auto TCR. I invite the winners on the stage if we have Shri Arun Lumle with us and the team.
Briefly speak about this.
It is an automatic building the approach system. It is a web-based system. Anybody can upload their project, drawing, and see that what is the progress of that building the approach. Whether it is uploaded or not. Once it is uploaded, if there is discrepancy, a alert system is developed. So SMS as well as through email. If it is corrected, then it is passed to the my junior engineer. If it is okay, then it is goes to the assistant director of company, and finally goes to the me. And it is completed within 10 to 12 days. And once it is completed, again other SMS goes to that architect as well as the house owner. Your building plans approved. Please pay such as amount.
I think if anyone has dared to build a house in India, and if he has gone around the offices of the various departments of approvals, he will know that how important this project is. Like applying online for your building approvals, such a great system which has been implemented in Gujarat. So, congratulations.
And so it will take only 10 to 12 days. 10 to 12 days. Wow. Yes.
Congratulations. Once again.
Okay, congratulations to the winners. Thank you, sir. Now the next category is Smart Governance Initiative. This award goes to Revenue and Forest Department, Government of Maharashtra for their project E-Mojni. And I invite Shri Chandrakant Dagli on stage to receive the award, Settlement Commissioner and Director of Land Records. A big hand for the winners, please.
I think this was presented in the morning in detail, so I haven't asked him to repeat what is presented. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Many congratulations. Next award category is Smart Municipality and Municipal Corporation Initiative. And this award goes to Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation, PCMC, for their project Sathi, an effort to connect citizens with city managers and projects. I invite the mayor, the commissioner, I think, and the whole team of PCMC here.
This is the initiative taken by Pilgrims Intervention Corporation. This was inaugurated on 15 August 2013. Basically, Sarthi who travels correct direction or who gives the right direction is the meaning of the Sarthi. Basically, it is the basket of services for the citizen via call center which operates from morning 7 to 10, and all types of the information as well as grievances to the citizens, and the feedback is given by the SMS to the citizen, and it's daily 150 to 200 calls are coming to the Sarthi, and this is the direct connection to the citizen to the governance. Thank you.
Thank you,
Amazing
sir.
stuff.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you so much.
The next category is Smart Health Project, and the award goes to National Informatics Center, Hyderabad, NIC, for Mahila Shishu Project. I invite the winners on the stage, please. NIC is getting 3 awards tonight for their various projects. So the next award is also with NIC for Smart Security Initiative. So it is for E-Agni Suraksha project. So it's a triple success tonight for the NIC, and another one is Smart Banking and Finance Initiative. And this is for their project, Hotnet project.
I will write them to talk about all these projects. There are different divisions of NIC who have implemented this, and she is like representing all the divisions of NIC Hyderabad. So, congrats to NIC, and I will now like you to speak about it.
Actually, we are working on the smart city initiatives from health, that is health scenario and safety scenario, and then that is payment gateway, that is secure payment to the farmers. So, Mahila Shishu is for the health initiative. So, we are providing service to the mother and child at the grassroots level, and where already it is national project, it is providing service up to PSC level, but where it cannot go beyond that to the last mile, there we are integrating with this service with the that is the other services, so that seamless service we are getting, and we are synchronizing with the what is available at the PEC level up to the village level. And we are giving service for the lactating mother, pregnant mother and the child from the ANC to PNC, and we are providing through this service immunization and whatever the medicines it is required for the lactating lady and the child during their growth up to 16 years. And for the safety scenario, we have, it is Agni Suraksha project. It is actually for the fire service. So it is that is service to the public with a humanitarian approach. So the main objective of the project is to that is prevent fire and extinction of fire. So we are providing this service for the government of Andhra Pradesh, and it can be replicated anywhere in India. And for the Hotnet project, where for the that is smart payment gateway, through that we are providing that is credit for the subsidy for the farmers directly to their account through this service, and they are getting this facility directly without through any middleman or anything. So these are the services we are providing for getting the benefit of the smart city for Andhra Pradesh initially, and it can be replicated all these projects for anywhere in India.
Thank you very much. Many congratulations. Mr. Ved Prakash, Commissioner, Jabalpur Municipal Corporation, has just reached and he's with us. I would request him to receive the award from from our guests and talk about. Can you please talk about this project of GPS and mobility-based citizen support system?
ये एप्लीकेशन कुछ ऐसा है कि एक बार क्लिक करें, यदि कहीं भी कोई कचरा दिखे फोटोग्राफ क्लिक करें, कहीं पानी बहता हुआ लीकेज है तो उसके लिए क्लिक करें, कहीं स्ट्रीट लाइट दिन में जल रहा रात में बुझा है तो क्लिक करें, कहीं रोड पे कोई रोड साइड अतिक्रमण है तो क्लिक करें, एंड वी रिस्पॉन्ड with SMS for registration of complaint, and again after disposal we send a proper SMS so that complainants know have been reduced.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
If that's, someone clicks a photo, how does he send it to you? Where he uploads it?
It's a simple application. One can download it from Play Store on any Android smartphone, and one can click and send it. In fact, Cinect is a firm who helped us in developing this application, and we are grateful to them.
Amazing stuff. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Now the next award category is Smart Banking and Finance Initiative. Oh, sorry. Smart Security Initiative is also done. Sorry, I'm going. Okay. Next category is Smart Governance Initiative, and this award goes to Criminal Investigation Department, Maharashtra State, for Crime and Criminal Tracking Network and System (CCTNS) project. I invite winners on stage. Mr. Pandarpur and team is with us for receiving the award.
Question you to elaborate about this initiative, please. First of all, I take this opportunity to thank the organizers, leaders, and the sponsors, and of course, honored with the chief guest. First of all, my due respect to Dharmesh sir, who is here. Basically, we started this project around 2 years back, and almost it's an NDGP program, NDGP plan e-governance project. We are in the process of go live, and maybe in a couple of months we'll be go live. But the requirement for the police force to get the people trained, almost 1 lakh plus people have been trained, and almost 91 sites are there. There will be implementing this project, and out of that, almost 99% has been completed. The initiative behind this is the data, massive data we have in police force.
14 years data have been digitized, and it has been migrated to CCTV. So the end user, basically police personnel, who at the police station will require the data for curbing the crime or investigation or detection of the crime, it will be handy for them. And of course, the network, it has been provided by BSNL. The project itself will be, it is a three-platform project. It will be helpful to the citizens' perspective also, because citizens will be able to see some, will able to track the record online. What is the status of the record? What is the status of the FIR? Whether I have visited the scene of crime? All those things which the citizens have to come to the police station and often they ask these questions. They will be able to see the data entirely on the web. Secondly, the government perspective, of course, they will be getting all the required formats, all the required statistical format data required for the government purpose. And of course, for police, all the supervisory officers sitting at their own desktops will be able to see the performance of the IOs, performance of the cases, and all other required information. Will be able to see will be able to monitor them about the crime, and of course their instructions further down the line up to the police station. They can give their instructions, and all those things are available under this project. Also, this project is being closely monitored by various committees, and therefore it is closely monitored. We have a weekly meeting supervised by additional DG level officer, my additional DG CID. Of course, I am very much thankful to him and all my senior officers, nodal officer, my IG, Sri Verma sir, and my SP, Dr. Damadas Sukarkar, and all my police personnel who have been taking a lot of pains to implement this project. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. This is like a small example that how ICT in safety and security can help in building of smart cities. Karthik.
The next category is Smart Banking and Finance Initiative, and this award goes to Canara Bank for their project E-Info Book. I invite Mr. Venkata Rao on stage to receive the award, please.
If I could make the award, I would love that to speak. Please speak about the achievements of this.
Yeah. Good evening to all of you. First of all, at the outset, let me thank all the organizers of this function for giving us an opportunity. Yeah, normally banker means everybody thinks that software or technological requirements are secure to the market. Yes, we in Canara Bank, we got a very talented and strong in-house IT development team. Yeah, this is one initiative. E-Info Book is one initiative taken by our bank. All those who are having smart telephones will be able to view all their accounts, whether it is loan account or savings bank account or current account, up-to-date position of including their balance in the account in one go in their own mobile held by them. Secondly, all the banking products, what are all these salient features, a very snapshot of all these products you can have in your phone. That is the main purpose of E-Info Book, and it is well received to validation by all our clients. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Many congratulations. We move on to the next category, and it is about Smart Governance Initiative. And this award goes to Directorate of Information Technology, Government of Maharashtra, for their project Accessible Places Mobile Application Project. Okay, we had people from DIT to receive this award, but they had a flight, so they left. I'll be going to Maharashtra first. The next category is Smart Urban Traffic Management Initiative, and this award goes to CMS Computers Limited for Bangalore Traffic Improvement Project. Bangalore's traffic really needs improvement, and in that case, it's a very good initiative. have Mr. Prashant Datta, Business Manager, Siemens Computers Limited with us, and Mr. But I would like you to share the secret for these 2 minutes. How did you manage to do it? Yeah.
First of all, I want to thank jury and members and leaders for recognizing our efforts. I will say some words about the project or highlights of the project. See, in the traffic light, there are many people who do offences. They many times jump the red signal, they go beyond the zebra line, and all the times they are not caught. So this is a big problem. People, once they are not caught, they are doing more it. So there are cameras put on the poles, signal poles, and their activity is recorded. And there is a team at the back end who is taking the number of the person who is offended. Yes. So once the number is recognized or it is recorded, the same time it will be put into the system in our application. And this application will send this information to RTO department, and from RTO department it will get the address of that particular person who is using the vehicle, and then electronic challan is generated and printed and sent directly to that particular address. And this is for the people who are offending, but we have also provided some facility who is offended. Now, like they don't require to go to police station for paying the challan. They pay their challan online. They can pay their challan through Bangalore One, which is done by us also. So this is also a facility which we are offering to others, but not encouraging. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Many congratulations. Bangalore is one of the most beautiful cities in India, and you are adding on to the beauty of this. Okay, now the final award of this award ceremony. It is in Smart Governance Initiative, and this award goes to Collectorate Jabalpur. So now I invite Ma'am Sopti to come again and receive the award for her department now. This is the second last award, and this award is actually for NIDAN project, Network for Immediate Dispersal Around Neighborhood, and then we come to know from Ma'am about this project.
This is my time. Earlier there was some confusion that sir is not here, so I collected. But sir is here, and it is a proud privilege for Jabalpur that Jabalpur got 2 awards. One for Collectorate Jabalpur, the NIDAN project, and we earlier heard about the Jabalpur Municipal Corporation. So I request sir to come here. That Jabalpur is a smart city. Sir. Yeah. Direct depositing money in the account of beneficiaries. Now we have no check system, so we are not issuing checks to the beneficiaries, so it has reduced corruption at all levels. And for details, you can see our website and see the details.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Now the last award of the day, and this is for Smart Governance Initiative. And this award goes to Bhopal Municipal Corporation for Municipal Administration System MAS project. We have Mr. Vishesh Rathore Commissioner of Bhopal Municipal Corporation with us. I welcome him and the team to receive the award. I think we should have a good round of applause for this winner and all the winners.
So as we told that we are fully computerized now, and our civil department, waterworks department, project department, as well as building commission department is paperless. Now we'll follow you and we'll be fully paperless operations very soon. Yes sir, we'll be fully paperless. Thank you. Thanks.
Can we invite all the award winners on the stage for a group photo, please? All the award winners, please. Answer. On the stage, please. President of the
I also invite Mr. A.S. Bhal, Economic Advisor.
Bhal sir,
So please be on stage with us.
on the stage, please.